don't panic. We just need to answer the calculation to open the door. Something tells me that was not the correct answer. But 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 plus 12 is 13. What's gone wrong? The order of operations, of course. That's the rule that tells you which bit of a calculation to do first. Multiplication and division left to right with much precision. So, multiplication and division first. That's 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Then do addition and all the subtraction. From left to right is the order of action. Okay, addition and subtraction. From left to right, that's 12 minus 3, which is 9. Then 9 plus 12 is 21. We did it! You're free! Good rhyme, though, right?